and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ, and today we're going to hunt 6 boxes of half dollars. I'm pretty excited about this hunt because we have 4 boxes of NF String & Sons, which have been pretty good for us lately, and we have 2 boxes of the Yellow Loomis. One I picked up today, one I picked up last week with another Yellow Loomis box that we opened on the live stream, and it gave us silver. So hopefully we have a lot of silver, proofs, errors, varieties, anything to add to our collection in these boxes. And as always, we'll be giving away something we find from the hunt. In order to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment on this video, and then be sure to watch our Saturday winners video every Saturday at noon to see if you won. Well, I'm excited to crack into this box, so we're going to start it off with box number 1. So we got box number 1 laid out and ready to go. Unfortunately, there was no silver enders, but hopefully there's a whole bunch of silver on the inside. Let's get in there and find out. And we have silver. Oh, that is exciting. And we might even have 2. That one right there in the middle looks like it could also be a silver. And then, so I think we may have 2. Let's see. Yep, it is. We have 2 and 1 and 65 and 66, which we do not get the 65 very often. That is exciting. Oh, box number 1 produces a silver. 2 of them. Pretty beat up, but you know what? Silver is silver. We will take it. And we had a 2009 earlier in the box. We are all done with box number 1, and here's the wrap up. We ended up with 2 silver. We have a 1965 right there. That was nice. And a 1966. Those are the only 2 silver we found in the box. And here's that 2009 I mentioned earlier. So that's really good. We love finding silver in the box. The good news is we have box number 2. Again, no silver enders, but hopefully, just like box number 1, we have some silver on the inside. So we're going to crack into roll number 1 and find out. And we have silver in roll number 6. Look at this. Oh, that is good stuff. That is great. It's a nice looking one, and it's another 1966. Got to love, and this one almost, I wonder if that could have been an SMS. Just a different finish to it. Maybe not mirror-like enough, but definitely a different finish than I normally see. So that is really cool. And here is that 2016 Philadelphia Ender. Hopefully it doesn't have roller damage. Beautiful looking coin. There we go. That did get a little roller damage, a little bit up by the I and the B in Liberty, but still a nice coin. And it looks like we are going to get another silver. Oh, and it looks like we might even have 2. Oh, that's exciting. Let's see if you guys can spot them. I believe we're going to have 2 on roll 45. And I think it's going to be that one right there, and it is. And then I think it's going to be another 67 right there. 2 1967s. Oh, that is good stuff. That brings our total to 3 for the box and 5 for the hunt. That is nice. So we are all done with box number 2, and here's the wrap up. We had 3 silver instead of 2 like box number 1, and check out that beautiful 1966. That thing is nice. We had that nice 2016, very little crimper damage on it, but did get some. We ended up getting another NIFC before the box was done. And then earlier in the box, we had the 2 1967 in 1 roll. That was great. Now, it's time to kick it off with box number 3. More of the NF String & Sons. Let's see what we can find. This is roll number 2 right here. And oh my gosh, look at that. No way. This has never happened to me before, and it's not a good thing. How the heck does a nickel get in the roll? We just lost 45 cents right there. And it's a 2019. It's not even a Buffalo nickel or anything. Holy cow. And again, look at this. That is the second time this box. This time it's a penny. Oh my gosh. NF String & Sons rolls are killing me. We have lost 94 cents in 2 different rolls. So we're going through the clad of roll number 25. And we found ourselves a proof. Check this out. Almost missed it. 1977 San Francisco proof. Pretty dirty, but we got proof on the board. And again, holy cow. And this time it is a dollar coin. This is just weird. We found a nickel, a penny, and now a dollar coin in half-dollar rolls. At least the dollar coin is a profit for us. That is crazy. Look at this. Here's a wrap up of box number 3, and we ended up finding a total of 10 NIFC. We had a 2003 Philadelphia, 2004 Philadelphia, 6 2010s, mostly Philadelphia, but a couple Denvers in there, a 2013 Denver, and a 2016 Philadelphia. We did find a proof. We got that 1977 San Francisco proof right there. Hopefully you can read that mint mark. Pretty small. And then this was the craziest box when it comes to just miscellaneous oddities, because we had a dollar coin, just a common John Tyler. But then we had a 2009 penny and a 19 penny and a 2019 Denver nickel. Each of these was in a separate roll. So we ended up losing 44 cents on those 3 rolls. Thankfully, we had that dollar coin to help us out. But that was just crazy finding those in the half-dollar rolls. So here is box number 4 laid out and ready to go. Unfortunately, no silver enders, but we all know that we can still have some silver on the inside. So let's check it out. And this one may give us some silver. I don't think so. I don't think so. And it is. It is. I was worried that it wasn't. Oh, I should have showed it. I should have showed it. There was a sparkle of copper. A sparkle of copper. So I thought that we weren't going to have it. But we did. That is awesome. And we do have silver. My little helper ran in here and she wants to see. There it is.
I want to see the edge. Oh my.
See it right there? There's a sparkle of copper. And sometimes the ones that are like painted to where people want you to think that they're silver, or maybe they just got dirt on them that makes them look green, you can usually see the copper peek through. So that's what tricked me. And it looks like we're not going to have another one. I think we are going to have another one. Let's take a look here. Hopefully you can see it. That was a little hard to see for me. But I believe, yep, it's another 1968. Got another 90 or 40%er on the board. Look at that. You got that greenish, silvery copper tinge. That is good stuff. And I think we're going to get another one. Oh, this is good. This is very good. This one's a little bit different, but it's a 40%er. Hopefully you can see it, and it's right there, 1960 something. Got a lot of gunk on it. Oh man. I think it's got to be either a 68 or a 69 because it has a Denver mint mark. That is good stuff. That makes 3 silver on the board. And roll number 27 is going to give us yet another. We are going to get another one. Oh, that is exciting. Right there, 1968. We have another 40% silver, decent reverse, 4 silver on the board. That is exciting. And we are getting into roll number 32 right here. Roll 32, and I think we may have another silver. It is interesting. It does not look as strong a coloration as I normally see it, but it's this one right here. So you can see that again. But it's another 1968. There's been several that just have not been as easy to identify on the edge, but this one is nice looking. Look at that. That is a good looking 1968. 5 on the board. Me and Maid Marian are going through the clad here, and we found a 1984 San Francisco proof with a big fat R on it. Don't know exactly why someone would mark up a proof, maybe because it's dirty and circulated, but it's still a proof, and I like me some proofs. So here's a quick wrap up of box number 4. We ended up with a total of 5 40% silver. The best one was this 1968 Denver in really nice shape. We had that 1984 San Francisco proof. I left some rubbing alcohol on it, and it took away the marker, most of the marker. You can still see a little bit inside the ear and on the 4, but I didn't want to sit there and rub it and to get it all off. Just let the alcohol do its thing. And then we had a total of 5 NIFC, but we're only going to keep these 3 because these 2 had some roller damage, and so we're going to go ahead and send those back. Well, unfortunately, box 5 and box 6 turned out to be complete skunk boxes. No NIFCs, silver, proof, or anything. Here is all the discards from the 6 boxes, and now we're going to run into an overall wrap-up. So here's the overall wrap-up, and man, that turned out to be a great hunt. We ended up finding a total of 10 silver. Anytime you get double-digit silver in 6 boxes, that is great. We ended up with a 1965, which we don't get very often. Wasn't in the greatest of shape, but it's still a 65. And then we had 2 66s, and this one right here is just nice. Almost made me wonder if it was an SMS. Just a really nice sheen to it. We had 2 1967s, 5 1968 Denvers. This is the nicest of the 68 Denvers. Very nice little coin right there. And then we had 2 proofs. We had a 1977 and a 1984 San Francisco proof. So that was really cool. Been struggling finding ourselves some proofs lately. We had a total of 18 keeper NIFCs, a couple really nice ones, including a nice 2009, so that was cool. And then just something super crazy. In 3 different rolls in box number 3, we ended up finding a nickel, a penny, and a dollar coin in bank-wrapped half-dollar rolls. That was just interesting. So here's the Robinhood Coins giveaway for this video. Someone that commented on this video is going to win a pair of 1968 Denvers. Got to love the 80% Kennedy. So be sure to comment on the video if you want to enter that giveaway. And I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed the hunt. It was a lot of fun. Anytime you find silver, it's a good time. Also sprinkle in some proofs and NIFCs. It was a good hunt. And if so, smash that like button. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any giveaways or videos. And we'll see you on the next hunt.